everyone, so today I am filming a new video, as you can see, in a bit of a different location. The lighting is also terrible because obviously I'm in the kitchen, as you can see, so don't have my ring light down here, which means we have to deal with the ceiling lighting, which is yellow, so that is what we're dealing with today, people. So today I thought I would do a good old baking video because this is probably going to be the last time I bake for a very long time now, just purely because obviously I'm going to uni and I'm probably not going to have time to, probably just going to not be bothered to there, and to be honest I don't have any tins or anything there that I can use to bake in, so yeah, I thought I would do some baking. I thought I would film it too, so then, you know, you can watch me have fun and also watch me chat a load of rubbish. So yeah, today I am using a recipe from Tanya's cookbook because we are going to be doing the gingerbread loaf because I wanted something fairly easy. Oh my god, this lighting is terrible. I wanted something fairly easy. So I thought this was very autumnal, you know, and I think it's going to smell amazing. Only thing is, I'm a bit worried how it's going to taste, like whether it will taste really bland or not. Hopefully it won't. I love the taste of gingerbread men, but I've never had a gingerbread loaf before or like any kind of gingerbread cakes, so yeah. Actually, I did do a video on here like years ago, me making like gingerbread spiced cupcakes or something like that. Throw back to that video.
I'm going to bake some gingerbread cupcakes. And then you're going to need, I think it's 150 grams of light mascarpone sugar.
So yeah, without further ado though guys, let's get into this video. We're going bake-off style, guys. I'm putting my apron on. Woo! I actually think I'm going to go on bake-off one day, you know. I am determined to. That is what we're going to do. How cute is this? Here we go. I've preheated my oven, my loaf tin, but last time I've only ever made one other loaf thing, and last time I did that I put some greaseproof paper in it because I was scared. So I'm doing that again because I'm scared it's going to stick again. Last time it came out really well. I think I did this last time. I'm pretty sure I did. Maybe I didn't. I'm going to cut it a bit shorter. I don't know, but I was thinking kind of if I just put it in there and then I've got the two sides so I can just kind of lift it out. Not sure. So we are going to start. Oh, are you kidding? That's so much effort. Apparently we have to melt the butter and golden syrup together in a pan and set aside. Won't it go hard? Oh, this is more effort than I thought it was going to be. Got our butter. Oh my god, this is so much effort. This will be interesting then, guys. I mean, I could do it in the microwave, couldn't I? Would that be quicker? Am I going to mess this up if I do it in the microwave? Probably. I'm going to do it anyway. Already probably messing this up now. Definitely not going on Bake Off anymore. Where's the time for all of that, you know? I'm going to measure out my butter. I'm just going to measure out my butter first and then I'll get back to you. Okay guys, this literally looks like diabetes in a jug. It is 100 grams of butter and 100 grams of golden syrup. Nice. Now I'm going to try and put it in the microwave because, you know, this is probably going to ruin it, but we'll try it anyway. Here we go. How long does it take to melt butter? Put it in for 20. Let's use the knife. Oh god, I'm scared. Oh, that's disgusting. 20 seconds actually did quite a bit, guys. So we're going to put it in for another 20 and hopefully that'll be done. It's quite nice. Oh my god, it smells amazing. It just smells like pure sugar. It's going to be, oh, so unhealthy. It's dripped on me. It's dripped on me. Oh, it's dripped on the floor. It's dripping everywhere. Help. Everywhere's going to be so sticky. Oh my god, I've dripped it absolutely everywhere. Help me! Right. Oh my god. Okay. Guys. Oh, I'm dripping golden syrup everywhere. Everyone, don't be alarmed. We've got this. Oh my god, the floor's going to be so sticky. I hope my mum's not watching this. Cooking, you know, guys. You don't need a pan. I'm telling you. I'm going to use a bowl. 10 more seconds and that'll be done. I'm going to go with that. There we are, guys. Melted butter and golden syrup, which smells insane. So it says to keep that to one side, so I'm going to do that. It does actually say to line the loaf tin with greaseproof paper, so we are one step ahead. Mix together the flour, ground ginger, sugar and bicarbonate of soda in a bowl, then slowly whisk in the milk and the egg, followed by the syrup mixture to form a smooth batter. That is very all-in-one. Let's do it anyway. Got a jug, measuring jug, and our scales. So yeah guys, I'm going to uni next Saturday, which is crazy. That is the 21st, I think. I am so excited, you have no idea. So excited. How much do I need of this? 150 grams of self-raising flour. I can't really see what I'm doing, but just trust me, okay? So I'm literally going to uni like soon, and yeah, I'm so excited for all the videos and that. I also had so many people message me on Instagram saying that they watched my like videos of like my hauls and stuff. They're going to Brighton too, so that's crazy. Like that makes me so happy that people are like watching my videos and then realising they go to the same uni as me, so that's cool. Wait to meet some more people, like it's gonna be so good. Pretty hot. Okay, so flour is going in the bowl. I'm just doing it up here so you can see what I'm doing. Now we want ginger. What should we need? That 3 teaspoons. Get my little measuring teaspoon. Really look like I know what I'm doing, don't I? I know. Just too good. Oh my god, that nearly went everywhere. Oh my god, okay, it's all over the work surface, but here is a teaspoon of ground ginger. It's also all on my hands. I'm really trying right now to level this out and it's just going all over the work surface. 3. Right, we've got 3 in and a mess on the kitchen counter. That sounds like a little like supermarket thing, you know, and they're like, clean up on aisle 3. I have no idea what I'm saying right now. How did I manage to get syrup over here? Sugar. What do I need for sugar? 150 grams of caster sugar is next. There is so much sugar going in this. Jeez. I'm gonna try and do a moving vlog as well, guys, but I don't know how well that's gonna go because knowing me, I probably won't end up with like any footage and it'll be like really rubbish. So yeah, but I will try because that's what you guys want to see and I really want to like have it to look back on as well. Here's my sugar, here's my bowl, in we go. Ready? Can you not? Yeah, you might want to lick the floor down there because there's some golden syrup down there. Carbonate of soda is next. 1 teaspoon. I'm going to make a mess of this too because I've already got ginger on this. Oh, we'll use the other side. We'll use the clean side. I've got to slowly whisk in the milk and egg. Right, so I'm going to just kind of stir that in a bit before I do anything else because it doesn't say to do that, but I'm going to do it anyway. Big chunks of this ginger in here. I don't think it was 1 teaspoon if you actually got rid of the chunks. I think it was just a 1 teaspoon of chunks. Milk. Whisk. Whisk. I need a whisk. We have a whisk. It actually looks like a really small whisk. I think there's probably a big one in the drawer, but I don't know. Free adventure with every pack. That's what my Happy Eggs says. Everybody make sure you buy Happy Eggs, then the chickens are happy. 50 millilitres of milk. Right, let's do this. Perfect. Well done, Keira. Ow. I took off my slippers because I was hot, but now I think I've got something in the bottom of my foot. Oh, I think I actually have. I'm going to put my slippers back on, guys. I think I've stood on something, guys. I've got something in my foot and it hurts. I'm going to whisk in our milk. In we go. Oh wait, it says bit by bit, doesn't it? Slowly whisk in. Oh, that's alright then. Be fine, don't you worry. Can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm whisking. So excited for autumn though, guys, and winter, and Halloween, and oh my goodness. Ooh, it's like a paste. I'm so excited, that's why I'm like excited about making this, because it's like very autumnal, isn't it? Although I can't smell the ginger yet, I won't lie. Oh my god, my whisk is falling. I'll get whatever is in my foot out, like it needs to go. My egg is now in. You can't see it again. I'm the worst YouTube chef ever. It's a point in summer and you're just like, I can't be bothered. But then I only like autumn and winter up until like January. What the hell is that? I don't even really like my birthday. Like as soon as it hits January, like after Christmas, it's like I don't want it to be this anymore. I want it to be winter. Here we go, guys, there's our mixture. I mean, I want it to be summer. Here is our syrup mixture, which has now gone a bit kind of lumpy and weird. Pop that in. Ugh. Way easier though to just use the microwave, guys. So, you know, if you have Tanya's cookbook at home, and you follow it on a regular basis, mix it up a bit, you know. Tanya is not always right, neither is Mary Berry. Actually, Mary Berry is. Mary Berry is a queen. Just follow Mary Berry and you'll be okay. So, our mixture is in. We're going to whisk that up now. Smooth batter. This just looks like liquid right now. I can't smell it. Oh, it does smell quite good actually. Nice. Doesn't take long to make though, does it? My flatmates are going to absolutely hate me because I'm going to be decorating the flat up for Halloween and Christmas. Like, how dare you disturb my video? I'm going to be dressing my flat up for Halloween and Christmas like all the time. It's going to look fabulous. They're going to love me for it. There we go guys, there is our mixture. I think we just, pour into loaf tin and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. We shall. That actually does taste so good. It's like pure sugar, literally pure sugar. We're going to pour this in now. A bit scared. I think this may have happened last time. No. It happened last time. I 100% remember this. I thought it was going to come out awful afterwards and it actually didn't. But I remember this disaster happening. And I'll show you guys what it is in a minute once I've done this. Disaster has struck. So basically guys, I pour it in and now it's kind of, half of it is in the baking paper and the other half is outside it. So what I did last time, like basically it looks like this, but you still can't see it. Basically it's poured on the outside of the baking paper, so I'm gonna have to try and pull it out. This is what we did last time. What do I do? Oh my lord, what a disaster. I feel like this did happen last time, but then at the same time I don't. My paper's literally dripping. Now what do I do? Bin's over there. Oh my god. Right, no, this could not work, guys. Just because we might not be able to get it out the tin at all, but you know, it'll be fine. Here we go, guys. You can kind of see it. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes until golden and a skewer poked into the centre of the loaf comes out clean. Let's do it. Burnt myself. Right guys, don't worry, I'm a tough cookie. Did just burn my knuckle though. Okay guys, so I will get back to you when our amazing creation is created. So here we have it guys, it has just come out the oven. It looks burnt around the outside, but I think that's how it's supposed to look because that's how it looked on Tanya's picture. But it looked like that all over, whereas I've got this bit. Also just realised that the tumble dryer is on, so that's the noise you can hear in the background. But here we are. I'm going to put this on a cooling rack to cool. I'm pretty sure it will come out quite easily because it's come away from the edges quite well, so that's all good. But yeah, I thought I'd just end this video. I hope you did enjoy this video. It was just a little chatty, fun video to do. Basically, I'm just trying to fill in the space that I have before I go to uni. So I think I've got one more video going up on the Sunday that I move. Well, no, I move on the Saturday, so the Sunday I'll already be in my accommodation. So that will be my last video kind of here. And then all the uni vlogs and videos and stuff will be coming your way. I cannot wait. I'm going to be doing room tours, moving videos. I'm so excited. Also, George will be making a feature on my channel again, guys. How exciting. I get to see him again, so that's amazing. And we've got Winter in the City coming up as well in Birmingham on the 29th of November and the 1st of December, so I literally cannot wait for that as well. Like, there's so many exciting things coming, so just you guys wait. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Also make sure to check out my social media, which is on the screen now, and subscribe if you haven't already. So guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you very, very soon with one of my last videos here for a while. Bye!
I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.